Good morning students, welcome back our online classes Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the second chapter microorganisms. Students, before going to chapter 1 we will discuss about that. What do you mean by microorganisms and what is this? How it is helpful for us or how it is harmful for us. Okay friends. So let us we will discuss about this. Students, you know very well while your mother when that evening time that some milk will boiled after will keep cool and after some evening or that next day you will see that it become curd. How it is humming? How it is humming? So by the microorganisms. Students, what do you mean by microorganisms? Micro means small. That means while there so many organisms are there which we cannot see by our naked eye, that is called as microorganisms. Students, these organisms how can we detect? By our microscope. Okay, so before the discovery of the microscopes we cannot identify, we cannot see that these microorganisms. So let us discuss today what is the microorganisms and what are the functions about this. Okay, see students, these are the learning objects. Today we will discuss about this in this chapter. What are the learning objects? Observe students first. Major groups of microorganisms. What are the types of microorganisms? And we have to discuss useful of microorganisms, how it is helpful for us. And in that previous classes, in that our crops production also, we have discussed about that. Some microorganisms are helping in the farm and to the farmer. Okay, so food preservation, habits of the microorganisms, harmful of microorganisms. These are the main objectives of learning in this chapter. So students, first of all we will discuss about that. What is the microorganism? Micro means what is the small? Micro means small, which we cannot see, we cannot identify by our naked eye. To see these microorganisms, we need help of the microscope. Okay. So micro groups, these major groups of microorganisms are generally 5 types. What are that? One is bacteria, second one is fungi, third one is protozoa, fourth one is algae and virus. These are the total 5 major groups of microorganisms are there. Okay students. So one by one we will discuss what is the bacteria, what is the fungi, what is the algae, what is the protozoa and what is the viruses already have discussed. Students, almost all now we know nowadays what is that coronavirus is affecting to us. Okay, so this we cannot see our naked eye. If you can see, we can be prevent to ourselves. But it is very small, which one we cannot see that our naked eye. So let us discuss that how it is helpful and how it is effective, how it is harmful for us. Also we can discuss. So first of all, we will discuss that students. These are the 5 major microorganisms. One is bacteria, second one is fungi, third one is algae, fourth one is protozoa, and fifth one is viruses. Okay, so these viruses, which one is making harmful or making disease, that is called as germs or it is called as also pathogens. Okay, so now we will discuss about the first, what is the bacteria. First one already I have told. First microorganisms, we will discuss about that. What is the bacteria? Students, it is a very one single cell structure. This is single cell. And organisms, these are the larger than the viruses. If you compare that virus and bacteria, then it is larger than the virus. Okay, and it is also what single celled organisms. And it is having there are different types of vectors are there, like round shapes. These are already I told, spherical or rod shaped, spherical shaped, and a spiral shaped. So there are generally 3 types of vectors are there. One is rod shaped, like structure like rod like, and I will show that picture also. And second one is spherical shaped, third one is spiral shaped. Bounded like that, you have to observe that what is that one by one, you will see. Students, observe here. This is the spherical shape, means like rounded like. This is one type of bacteria. Okay, second one is the rod shape. Straight rod like, you have to observe that just structure is, if you see that by microscope, that virus can identify like this, like a round shape, like okay. And another one is the spiral shape, like the one see cord like that. You have to observe that this is spiral, and these are the different three types of viruses. And next we will discuss about that fungi in the next video. Okay, thank you all.